So I just woke up, my first day back home for spring break, and I got in like 3 something in the morning yesterday. But my mommy and I are gonna go to the beach and exercise. Nike outfit. I need to get rid of these dark pits, guys, because it's driving me crazy. But yeah. And when I get back, room tour.
And Scotch bonnet peppers.
Okay.
So you can use these little red ones, and I'll put out some more.
Can you tell us what you're cooking, Daddy? Well, what I'm supposed to cook when I come home? I'm cooking.
Yeah, well, you're not cooking anything. You're just making that sauce. And you'll see it when you read it. It's for that snapper.
Banana, frozen blueberries, but I didn't have frozen blueberries actually. Regular blueberries. Almond butter, coconut milk, the coconut milk.
We're out
So
here.
the vlog, where is it?
The vlog is okay. Vlogging is you just document your day or whatever. I mean, I wanted to do it for this because this is something special. Because really at school I don't do nothing except go to class and hang out with Marquise and go home. So everybody, say hello, mommy. Hello. Well, you've already been in a lot of the videos, so it don't matter. But anyway, yeah. So we're at the beach now. We're at Surfside. It's kind of like the more residential area of the beach part, but yeah, so we come out here to exercise, so I can't videotape the whole time, but yeah, we're gonna walk and run. And
It's a beautiful day.
yes, it's a very beautiful day. I was so afraid that it was gonna be cold, but the little weather things are continuously lying to me.
I thought it was gonna be raining.
Yeah, I would have been sad if it was raining because I just came from rainy, gloomy, ugly Tallahassee. No offense to Tallahassee, but yeah. Here, let me.
It's pretty actually.
Green. Well, it depends on what side of town you're on, because the side of town I'm on, it's ridiculous with the littering. It's really gross.
Well, like in our area.
Yeah, but I guess to me it doesn't look as bad because it's more sunny. Like it's like a different type of sun. I don't know.
Yeah. Well, whenever you get used to some place, then
Yeah.
you see the bad part.
The bad parts don't look as bad. Dinner time. So we came back from the beach and working out, and I took a nap because I was tired. But now we're getting ready to eat dinner. Hi, Khalil. I'm doing a vlog, so that's what we're having. Courtesy of Chef Brown. Chef Brown, can you tell us what our what we're having today? What is our dish here?
It's roasted
Yes, I mean
whole tilapia with mojito sauce.
mojito sauce. The mojito sauce.
Mint mojito.
Mint mojito, guys. This is fancy.
With yellow rice and...
This is Caucasian living. Key.
Caucasian.
No, it's a joke. It's a thing. When you tell your mom a joke and she turns it into a speech.
That didn't sound like a joke.
Alright, so it's Tuesday today and I'm going to the dentist. And then after that, I don't really know what I'm gonna do. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do with some of my friends from high school. But they're thinking to do stuff on Thursday. But I don't want to wait that long because so far I've been here 3 days and I haven't done crap except go to the beach with my mom, which is fine. But I want to party. I want to turn up, you know. But yeah, I'm going to the dentist, you know, get these pearly whites in check. And I'm possibly, yes. And I'm probably gonna get some glasses too, hopefully, because your girl is blind. So I'll see you at the dentist. So today I didn't get to do anything. I went to the dentist and I was gonna record, but I don't know, I felt awkward. Plus he did it really fast. So, but now I'm, you know, you gotta do chores when you come home. So I'm making dinner. Well, I'm preparing dinner. But my grandma's here, my great grandma. So I'm making some spaghetti. This is fresh herbs from my garden at home and all this stuff. So yeah, this is all the stuff that's gonna go inside of it. There's grandma, great grandma. And yeah.
Good work, baby. Your mom's I don't know what to say. Your mom's
Daughter.
No, not just daughter. Hope.
Well, I try to be, you know, I try to keep up the standards, you know.
Okay, that's good. That's good. So I'll see you. I don't know when, but I'll see you one day.
Yeah, I mean, next time mommy goes to Panama, hopefully I can come or something.
Oh yeah, boy, I wish you will. I've been sitting there looking girl asking for this. You wanna know when you're coming back?
Grandpa, we keep talking about this girl for ages. I'm gonna be 30-something years old. The little girl's still asking for you, you know. Grandma, that girl's not worried about me. I mean, is she really?
I think you can anger her though, because you're a college student.
Is she really? Does she really be asking for me, or are you just playing?
Nah, I'm just messing with you. I haven't even seen her. They move away from here now, so.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so me and my mom are here at Aventura, the mall. I mean, that's how you just say it, you know. But yeah, everything's changed so much. They made all these high-end restaurants and whatnot. So this is my first time I'll be able to see it. So we're going to enjoy the day. Come, you want to do an outfit of the day? Hold on. Okay, this is my mom's outfit. You in the front of the man's car. He's watching you. Yeah, this is my mom's outfit of the day. Wait, what designer are you wearing, Mom?
Jones, New York.
Jones, New York, and what is that? Payless shoes? I don't know, but it's okay.
No, these not no Payless shoes.
I don't know. Are they? What are they?
I don't know where they're from.
Exactly.
But they're not Payless. Oh no, they're from Target.
Exactly. So, same difference. Okay. Are you enjoying your food?
Delicious.
It's so
y'all see that I have to get like this. So today we're gonna do a get ready with me for you guys. We're getting ready to go to the beach, South Beach, you know. Okay.
It's fine.
So if you want the little Miami native, you know, cute, sexy Miami chick look, keep watching. This is my friend Caitlin. She is my childhood friend from back in the day. Okay.
Oh, back in the day.
And first we're gonna do I'm gonna define her curls like the way I do my hair. So I'm gonna show you guys how I would do it on somebody else and how the results come out. Wait it up.
You know, when you tend to hair, you gotta.
That was that. I heard you.
No. What she's doing is she's putting conditioner all throughout my hair.
It's like when you rake it, it gets it like on every single strand, so that's why like it helps it not be
Oh,
so frizzy.
isn't that called the shingling method?
I guess.
What? My hair hasn't looked so like right here. It has never looked so defined though.
Get ready with me. Okay, this is my dip brow that I made. You can watch that video. I'm gonna put the link in the bio.
I only brought like my everyday makeup, and it's not high end. It's not high end. I'm lying. It is high end. Foundation, I have Lancome, because they come second to Fenty because this shit right here. Gotta shake it up. That's a pro tip. Make sure you shake up your foundation because some of y'all just be bumping and don't know that like your foundation is mixed with all type of oils and everything like that.
But they know on my channel I don't really wear foundation. Like I do it sometimes, but that's mostly because I can't find. I'm stupid.
How y'all doing tonight? You having a good time? Welcome to the beautiful city of attempt a single, not a double, but a triple front somersault on this ball. Now,
Hey, be careful.